issues of government bureaucracy, all those things must be done within the law. And that is one of the biggest challenges the governance or the presidency of President William Ruto is going to face. How is he going to go within the legal framework? 2, is the manifesto likely to be challenged with the courts? Will the courts slow? Remember, in 2013 and 2017, Jubilee came with similar promises. The courts slowed the tendering process, and by the time the 5 years were ending, the still matters were in court. Is that part of the Kenyan law? Yes. Free. Is the president having the goodwill to do what he promised? Yes. The president has the goodwill. Does he have the capacity to produce and do that goodwill without having challenges? I think the challenges are more. 1, the deputy president, Gachagua, said there is no money. The only entity that generates money for the president and his deputy to run the country is Kenya Revenue Authority. In one word, the president is saying KRA should not harass people. In another hand, he's saying, me, I'll be a good example to pay taxes, and I'm appealing to everybody to pay taxes. Are Kenyans going to pay taxes without being coerced? The question about the president saying and the deputy saying that now the criminal arm of government shall never be involved in issues of public servants. The criminal arm of government is the EACC, is the DCI, is the DPP, is the KRA. If these people will be removed from the realm of public service, then how will cases of corruption be dealt with? 99% of corruption cases are done by public officers.